How to link sections within pages in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to link sections within the pages, so you're not going to be basically having let's say a specific turn of pages, or you're going to head over another page to access a section. So we are going basically to head over Google Sites or sites.google.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, this is the dashboard. We're going to select the website that we want to do that process for. As you can see, here it is. Now the sections are going to be, or the specific sections are going to be needing a content block. So basically, if you're going to add a content block, it is going to give you a link for it, or the heading of it is going to give you a link. So as you can see, this is going to be a section, and these are going to be images. Or you can go ahead and add, as you can see, this is going to be a specific section or a whole section. I'm going to add maybe something like this block here. I'm going to give it a specific case here. I'm going to put this block here. We're going to put a text here like here anchor. We're going to name it anchor, for example, 1, and we can go ahead and put here whatever we want from here. You can add, from for example, some images, and it doesn't matter a lot, but it is going to be for the aesthetic side. Now what we're going to do is to create a link for here. I'm going to head over here. I'm not going to create a page, but we're going to create a link. So we can go ahead and link it from here or have something added. Also, you can go ahead and create a text. For example, here, I'm going to have here anchor 1. I'm going to extend this like this, and boom. Put a little bit of an extension here and let it as it is. So I'm going to copy, add a link, or I'm going to add the link later. So I'm going to publish here. I'm going to click on publish again. We're going to view the current version of the website, or the published version of the website. You're going to understand why. So we're going to head over our anchor 1. This is it, and you're going to find something linking, copy heading link. We're going to copy it. Basically, we're going to head over here, select anchor 1, put link for it, paste your link here. Boom. Click on publish again. We're going to click on publish. We're going to reset the website or actualize it until we are going to find the anchor 1 is going to be linked. So I'm going to open up from the start of the new website, and we are going to find it. This is linked. As you can see, it is going to be underlined. I click on it, it will take us right here. So the option that it has opened, as you can see, a specific window, we can go ahead and put it into the parameters, but as you can see, it is going to be found in here. You can add it as a link also, put the link here. You're not going to open it into a new tab. I'm going to put it like this. So anchor 1 done. I'm going to have it here, anchor 1. We're going to click on it, and it is going to take us here. Basically, it doesn't work right there, so we are going to publish it. View the published version. Anchor 1, it is going to take us here. That was pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.